Cancer loves acid. Cancer also loves the lack of oxygen. Another thing cancer loves is sugar. Knowing this, it makes perfect sense to alkalize body tissues. When people come to us seeking help in overcoming cancer, you can see what we do. We suggest a highly alkalizing diet. We suggest ways to oxygenate the body, and we also significantly reduce glucose, sugar, intake. In this video, we will expose the secret foods that kill cancer and that the pharmaceutical industry doesn't want you to know about, as revealed by the expert insights of Dr. Barbara O'Neill. Get ready to discover the shocking truth about everyday foods that have the extraordinary ability to fight cancer and learn how to harness their power to transform your health for good. Meet Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a naturopath who has dedicated her life to uncovering the secrets of the human body's incredible healing potential. Dr. Barbara O'Neill is also a dedicated nutritionist and health educator, with years of experience in uncovering the hidden secrets of self-healing. Her natural and practical approach has transformed countless lives, as evidenced by various testimonials from people who have benefited from her guidance. Inspired by her son's miraculous recovery from illness, Barbara has devoted her life to empowering others to take control of their health. With her unique combination of nursing experience and natural wisdom, she is on a mission to expose the truth about the body's innate ability to heal and the powerful foods that can help make it happen. According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, cancer cells thrive in an acidic environment, which means that the pH level of our body plays a fundamental role in cancer development and progression. pH is a measure of how acidic or alkaline a substance is, ranging from 0 to 14 on a scale, with a pH of 7 considered neutral. However, when the body's pH drops below 7, it becomes acidic, creating an ideal environment for cancer cells to grow and spread. On the other hand, an alkaline body pH, which is typically above 7, creates a less favorable environment for cancer cells. This makes it harder for cancer cells to survive and multiply. Alkaline environments also support healthy cell function, immune response, and overall well-being. Now, let's go over the list of foods that can fight cancer, as recommended by Dr. Barbara O'Neill. First on Dr. O'Neill's list are grains, which include foods such as millet, quinoa, amaranth, spelt, brown rice, and oats. These are alkaline grains, and we had millet in the morning. It's a delicious grain, isn't it? I think we'll have quinoa in another meal. These grains are rich in properties that can help prevent cancer and promote overall health. What makes these grains special, according to Dr. O'Neill, is that they are naturally alkaline. Maintaining an alkaline body pH creates a less hospitable environment for cancer cells to grow. In fact, according to the American Institute for Cancer Research and the World Cancer Research Fund, consuming at least 90 grams of whole grains per day can help reduce cancer risk, particularly colorectal cancer. How is this possible, you ask? Well, the colon is where fiber works its magic. As fiber moves through the digestive system, it binds to harmful substances, such as carcinogens, effectively reducing their impact on the body. But that's not all. Fiber, especially soluble fiber, plays an important role in preventing colorectal cancer. It acts as a prebiotic, nourishing good bacteria in the gut and supporting a healthy balance of bacteria in the digestive system. This, in turn, boosts the immune system and reduces inflammation, creating a hostile environment for cancer cells. Another interesting aspect of dietary fiber is that it is essential for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and preventing the glucose spikes that feed cancer cells. According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, these grains are also gluten-free. While gluten itself does not cause cancer, a gluten-free diet can help reduce inflammation in the body. Uncontrolled inflammation can contribute to cancer development. Persistent inflammation causes genetic problems, such as DNA damage and disruption of normal cell function. Black-eyed peas, lentils, and soybeans are the 3 legumes that create an alkaline environment. According to Dr. O'Neill, they are delicious, versatile, and contain a large amount of nutrients and compounds that fight cancer cells. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, eating legumes such as lentils can reduce cancer risk. What makes these legumes so effective in fighting cancer? It all comes down to their unique composition of anti-cancer compounds. For example, black-eyed peas are rich in a compound called protease inhibitors, known for their ability to prevent the formation of cancer cells, especially in breast and colon cancer. Meanwhile, soybeans have anti-cancer properties attributed to their unique mix of nutrients and compounds, especially isoflavones, which mimic estrogen in the body by binding to estrogen receptors. Isoflavones such as genistein and didzine can reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers, such as breast cancer. Lentils are not far behind, being rich in folate, an essential B vitamin for healthy cell division. Folate deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of certain types of cancer, including colon and breast cancer. When these three legumes are consumed together, they also provide the body with fiber, which helps maintain stable glucose levels and prevents cancer cells from thriving. Now, another food on Dr. O'Neill's cancer-fighting list is lemon, which is rich in alkaline minerals such as sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. These minerals are essential for maintaining the body's pH balance, creating an unfavorable environment for cancer cell growth. Lemon also contains more potassium than apples or grapes, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure and regulating blood glucose levels. Nuts are also on the list of alkalizing and antioxidant-rich foods. They are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, which help maintain stable glucose levels and prevent cancer cell growth. Nuts are especially rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E and selenium, which protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, and broccoli also deserve attention, as they are sources of vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds that can help prevent cancer. They are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C and E, as well as glucosinolates, which have anti-cancer properties. In summary, adopting a balanced and alkaline diet, combined with reducing inflammatory and processed foods, can play a crucial role in preventing serious diseases such as cancer. Consuming fresh, nutrient-dense, and antioxidant-rich foods not only strengthens the body, but also enhances its self-healing and regenerative functions. Now that you are aware of the 5 anti-cancer foods that the pharmaceutical industry doesn't want you to know about, take advantage of this newfound knowledge and incorporate at least one of these foods into your diet every day. For those with underlying health conditions or taking medications, make sure to consult your doctor to determine the safe amount of these foods to consume. Remember that prevention begins with conscious choices and healthy habits. Incorporating these foods into your daily life can not only help prevent cancer, but also improve your quality of life, maintain your energy, and ensure that you feel good in every aspect. If you can follow this journey of dietary transformation, always seek support from a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Also, share it with others so they can benefit from this information. Take care of your health because you deserve to live the best version of yourself.